Tyler 16-bit here with another video, and this is an unboxing of the Hyperkin DuchesS controller for Xbox. For the Xbox One, Xbox Series X and S, and Windows 10 and 11 PC. As it says right here. And here is the back of the box to take a look at more information. Just about the controller and its, see if we can get that focused. Yeah, the Hall effect thumbsticks and the impulse triggers. And yeah, that's really about it for the information. It does say, well, yeah, the Hall effect sticks, the impulse, the precision impulse triggers, and so yeah, the vibration feedback, 3.5mm headset jack, detachable braided USB Type-C cable, which of course plugs in to the front of the controller. Alright, so let's see if we can get this open. It'll be, yeah, obviously I'm filming this in the laundry room. But let's see if we can get this part out. Oh, and here's another look at the Hall effect sticks. So, yeah, I'm just trying to figure out where exactly I made the tears in the tape, so that way it would, there we go, be a little bit easier to open. And there's another look at the controller on the side. Ooh. There we go. So now this just needs right here, which may be the toughest to get to. Oh, there we go, I got it. Almost got it. I promise. Okay, there we go. And now to turn this right side up. And there we go. 2002, A Legend is Born. 2024, if it would focus, A New Dawn. Okay, we got that part open. Got that part open. This part needs to stay open, but it does have a graphic on it. Let's game. And here's the controller with these foam, I guess, stick protectors. And the controller itself, let's see if we can get it on out of there. Yep, and we've got it on out there. Got the Xbox button there in the middle. It's not just a sticker. It's an actual button. Got the menu button here. Got the little light that lights up when the controller is on. Got the what used to be start and select buttons there. Got the D-pad here, left thumbstick, right thumbstick, black and white buttons. And the XB or XB, A and B and X and Y colored buttons. Got the left bumper right there. Got the right bumper up here. Right trigger and left trigger. And that's the USB-C port that plugs into the to the controller to use it, because this is a wired controller. And there's the headset jack at the bottom. And here's what the I believe there's a little Hyperkin logo on top. It's kind of hard to see if there is. I think you can almost see it in the reflection of the light there. And there's another Hyperkin DuchesS wired controller logo there. And let's set this down for just a second, because the braided cable is underneath with some more decals and stickers and stuff like that. But yeah, thanks for watching, and until next time, you all take care. And also, sorry that my dog was knocking over stuff. He's a family dog and he's old, but yeah. Thanks for watching.